How to add your name with title on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your name with title on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and then click this one, profile information, and go down until you find add other name, and then click this one, and now click here, name with title, and then just type here anything you want. And if you want to show it at the top of your profile, just turn this one on and click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.